Elements of design thinking: people-centered, highly creative, hands-on, and iterative. People-centered approach. You start from what people, users, customers, consumers need or want to do, their innovations and the problems they are trying to solve. Empathy is the key. It's not about you. You need the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Highly creative, design thinking stimulates you to look at situations differently and come up with new solutions that go beyond improving the existing alternatives. Integrative thinking is key. You need the ability to look at all the different aspects of a problem. Hands-on approach. Stop discussing, start working. Make ideas tangible. Prototyping is thinking with your hands. Test your hypnotises. Failure is a necessary part of the process in order to succeed. Experiments with trial and error are the key. Iterative. The road to success does not follow a straight line. The more you are able to loop through, understanding, create the learn cycle, the higher chance you have for good results.